today we're turning JINU from K-pop demon hunters into a transformer. In this video, we'll design what he'd look like in robot form and decide what vehicle he'll transform into. Stick around until the end. He'll even do his iconic Your Idol dance. And yes, the rest of the girls and some Marvel characters are coming in future videos, so stay tuned. Before we design the robot mode, we first need to pick a vehicle form. To save time, we'll grab some free assets from Sketchfab. I decided to make JINU a car, and I think a modern retro style works best. After all, he's 400 years old. Futuristic cars just don't seem to fit him. So we went with this one. Pretty cool, right? Not too flashy. Now let's work on the concept for JINU. First, I'll sketch his silhouette, then move on to the costume. I'm basing it on his outfit from the final scene when he sings Your Idol. For the design, we'll take the front part of the car and place it on his chest, making it nice and angular. Next, we'll replicate his cape using the car's roof, adding some metal sheets here for detail. Then we'll design the boots, and there we go, perfect. Now, onto the modeling. First, we'll block out his silhouette using basic shapes, making sure it matches the sketch. Next, we'll dissect the car parts and place them in their designated spots. Some remodeling will be needed. For example, we'll put the wheels on his shoulders, attach the car doors to his arms, and add wheels to his feet. As for the roof, you can use the whole thing to create his cape. After some modeling, bam! Now for the face. I'll take some reference and follow the guide. We'll model his hat too, but give it a Cybertronic twist. Alright, looking pretty good. I'll make sure to match JINU's face and make it really awesome. And of course, his demon eyes as well. For texturing, I'm just using the Blender Kit add-on. Since the car is already painted black, I don't need to put anything, and it looks so glossy as well. Perfect. I'll search for some metal paint. This one looks nice. Drag it in, and perfect. Just fill him up with textures, and here you go. Now, for rigging, to save time, I'll just take an existing rigged character, take his armature and put him in JINU. But first, I'll rearrange his bones to match his silhouette. Then after some tweaking, bam! There you go. Now for the fun part. Time to animate. Of course, we all know he's going to transform from vehicle to robot. But the question is, how? I think he needs a flashy entrance. Let's have him drift into the scene, then flex his claws afterwards. After all, he loves showing them off. I'll parent the root of the car to JINU's spine so it all sticks together. Then I animate the drift, have him transform halfway, slide into the scene, and reveal those claws. And after animating, ladies and gentlemen, here's the final shot. I'm surprised the car really fits JINU for this one. And of course, a bonus dance. In 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. This was so much fun to make. It looks super cool and badass. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me know who's next. Thanks for watching.